So ayun guys,
Basurang movies,
yeah,
mga lolo.
and I'm back with this new Infinix Note Hot 20.
Di ba ikaw may bago ka ng cellphone?
Yeah,
Pero yun ba yung dati? Laptop pala yung bago sa'yo before.
this is Free Fire
Ganyan din sa'yo, ganyan din.
Infinix Note 20.
Mahigit ka naman sa
And they
gamit
selected the color blue one. Well, it's still on tape, and this is the outside of the box. And yeah, this is the description, I guess, and the manual. No, it's a warranty card, and also I don't know. Oh, the SIM card pin, as you can see, and also the iconic Infinix Join X Club 1X Gold, and the jelly case.
Ano palabas yun?
This one.
Kwenta naman, no?
No.
Netflix. Nagtayo Wednesday Adams.
And the charging cable, which by the way Infinix is already Type-C, and the charger, the adapter is which probably
alam mo,
I don't know, 15 watts, but it's in the description.
Bili-bili. Ako
There's no
pinapanood ko
watts.
series online. Series online ako hindi bili-bili ngayon, mas maganda pa siya.
And this is the phone.
Di ba ang
and the
Netflix
case.
lang bago, di ba? Nandun kat yung mga luma. Ayan, may gusto kang palabas before. Search mo lang doon.
Sorry.
So, nagda-download kayo ng movie dyan? Hindi mo na siya download, pero rin mo lang doon. Libre po. So, may wifi kayo? Sa bahay. Meron?
Gusto ko Bitbuy.
Bitbuy?
No.
Wala. Hindi nagbago ko Bitbuy. Wala akong net ngayon.
Kaya pala kayo tinumpan.
So, duman natin. Pauwi na nga rin ako. Mag-open ako.
And I already opened the phone. Yeah. It says here, warranty card, registration, invitation, need time to focus, use focus mode to focus.
Meron nga tito bito
Oh. Wow.
Pabili ka ng PS5. Alam nyo ba kung magkano ang PS5? Kaya yun.
20K?
28K. Madali lang yun. So,
And I don't know who this is because I haven't played Free Fire yet, but I will try someday.
madali lang pag-ipunan.
And this is the outside. Look at that. Why am I speaking like I'm a 13-year-old? The last time that I did a phone review
PS5.
was my Xiaomi Redmi, which a year later, my phone was...
Ganda Tekken doon. Kala mo tao na talaga. Kaya nga.
Let's try YouTube. Let's see. Connect to the internet. Let's see.
Ano na eh? Ano mo i-ganda rin naman yung Tekken?
Let's connect it to the Wi-Fi first.
Meron
na pong tempered glass.
Meron naka-tempered na?
Opo, nilagay dun kanina. This is the jelly case.
Naka mo yung phone mo. Baro-baro lang naman sa phone mo. Sayang naman yun.
I'll connect it first.